Let me show you how to edit slow motion videos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, let's open the gallery and then let's go to the slow motion video that we wish to edit. In order to make an edit, we can press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. And here, for example, we can make the adjustments of the speeds. For example, we can see that there is this specific area, and this area indicates the slow motion effect. So if we take a look now, maybe let's move it a little bit forward. Then we can apply the slow motion effect to only a specific part of the video. We can also extend it all the way to the whole video so that the whole video is actually in slow motion. Now, besides that, of course, we have some additional tools where we can crop the video, flip it, rotate it. We have some filters, we have brightness adjustments, exposure, contrast, highlights, and so on and so forth. We can also draw on the photo, and we also have the the audio settings here, where we can adjust the video sound, add soundtrack, or even use the audio eraser. Once we are done with the edit, if you want to simply save the video as it is right now and replace the original, then you want to press save here. If you want to keep the original video, then you want to tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner and choose to save copy. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!